Happy New Year! Okay, so I tried to film this whole makeup look for you guys, and what a complete fail, because guess what? It didn't record. So, you know, just wasted like 30 minutes to an hour of my life, and it didn't even record. I finally convinced myself to do a YouTube video because I've been having like the hardest time trying to get myself just to sit down to do a video, and right now I don't even feel like doing a video. I don't even want to talk. But hi guys, Happy New Year. How you doing? I guess I'll just talk about the stuff that I used on my face. Don't know if I'll be redoing this makeup look though. It's a possibility. Might. But an idea that I had for this video originally was I was going to talk about how I want to transition to cleaner beauty, like skincare, body care, just everything. And I also was going to do this tutorial, but we'll just have to get another one another day. But yeah, I'm going to try to transition to cleaner beauty. I'm already cruelty free. I have been for years now. Don't remember when I started. Yeah, don't remember when I started. But last year I started to pay more attention to the ingredients that are in the products that I buy. And sustainability and things that are good for the environment and good for ourselves and good for the animals. Still learning, but what started this whole thing for me was chemical sunscreens. I decided I don't like chemical sunscreens. One reason was because they broke me out, so I'll stick to the physical mineral sunscreens. Thanks so much. And so once I started paying attention to like what sunblocks and SPFs or makeup products had chemical sunscreens in it, I got more curious about other ingredients that I would like to avoid. And hopefully in the future, I will do a more in-depth video as I go along and learn. And if you guys have any information, any little tidbits, little eggs of knowledge that you'd like to drop in the comments for me and anyone else that might be watching this video, leave them there. I would appreciate you so much. I would. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use up the products that I do have as I transition, and I'm also thinking of doing a video like exploring the ingredients in the products that I already own. So like if I'm okay with most of the ingredients and something, like there's nothing like no red flags or anything or bells ringing like hey, get rid of it, I'm gonna keep using it, try to finish it up, and if I want to repurchase, I will do that in the future. And if I don't, I don't. And if it does have chemicals, I don't know. If the makeup products I do have that I'm exploring do have like chemicals I would like to avoid, I don't know if I'd feel comfortable just handing it off to a friend or family member because I don't want to use the chemicals. Why do I want to condone them? If they buy it, fine. I don't think I would feel right giving someone some chemicals. Maybe I'm just being weird about it. But anyways, I'm gonna see if this will work. I don't know if it will, but hopefully for this month, I'm going to try, in the months coming forward in this year of 2020, I'm going to try to put up videos twice a week. That is a goal. I'm going to get into a schedule twice a week. Still haven't decided which days I want to try and do. But it will just be a process. But I will try to get there. Because once I get into a routine, it's very easy for me to keep going. But once I stop, I fall off real hard. And it's really hard for me to start again. Which is hence this video. Took years for me to just sit down and do. But this video is just a chatty one, guys. And so I'm gonna show you. I feel like I'm not even finishing my thoughts. What was I saying? Oh, I'm gonna try to schedule. No, I'm gonna try to post twice a week. Let's see how well that works. And each month, I want to kind of focus on like a set of products, or I might do it for 2 or 3 months just to see if I can use the product up. I'm sorry, I keep opening and clipping, like closing the product and stop doing it. I don't know why I have so much anxiety. Yeah, I'm gonna try to choose products and use them in each video, like a makeup tutorial, and anytime I go out in that month with friends or whatever, events, and try to use that same makeup products to try to, you know, finish them up and get rid of them. So I don't want to over buy things. So like right now I really want to buy like some Clean Beauty, cleaner ingredient based foundations, but I still have foundations that I haven't used up and they're just gonna sit there because I don't know why they'll just sit there. So the products that I'm going to be trying to use up are 1, the Light Illusion Foundation from Flower Beauty. I originally bought this last year. Don't remember what month. It was towards the first half. But yeah, I stopped using it because it has, what does it have? It has octinoxate in it, which is a chemical sunscreen, which I chose not to use. So as much as I love this foundation on my skin, also it's the wrong color. It's a little too yellow. I still use it. Yeah, I didn't want to use it anymore or repurchase because of the octinoxate. It's 5% sunscreen. I just wish they would have just stuck with the titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, but no. I'm gonna try to use this baby up before I decide to hopefully buy a new foundation. I'm also trying to use up my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Haven't used this in a while either. Mainly because I rarely wear makeup except for videos. And when I put makeup on nowadays, I don't use concealer, I just put foundation everywhere and call it a day. So there's that. I think mainly I'm gonna work on complexion products because eyeshadows are kind of hard to work through. So blush and highlight, I'm gonna try to work through this blush palette. I don't know how fast that will work. I have 4 colors, but we'll see how far I get through this blush palette. I may just keep this, I don't know for how long. If you want variety in my videos, I think maybe mostly the eyeshadow and lip color might be the variety, but base products might not be that surprising. But the Stila highlighter in Kitten, love this. This is going to be another product that I'm going to be mainly using this month. And Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, because honestly I haven't touched this in months since I bought it. I bought it like when they first launched, like within the month. Used it, never touched it again. So that's not good. That's wasteful. And then it just sits there to expire and not be used. So I'm also going to try to use up this Flower Beauty mascara. Mascara is another thing. I have like several tubes of mascara. And I don't use them up. I don't know why I keep buying mascara. Doesn't make any sense. No sense whatsoever. But yeah. Well, that was a really ugly face, wasn't it? It was really ugly. I need to stop looking at the monitor. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to use up this stuff. I'm gonna try to use this stuff up. It's gonna be This is gonna be mainly the product complexion products I will be using for the upcoming videos, at least of January. Just giving you guys some little tidbits into my personal goals for my YouTube video and just for me in general. What's my train of thought again? I mean, once again, this video wasn't planned. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use up the base products. That's what I have on my face for now. Plus some Flower Beauty lipstick and then ColourPop and Arena palette. And I used Glamethyst Marc Jacobs sequins glitter, which I love. But yeah. That's about it. Those are my thoughts. Kind of a New Year's resolution for myself. If you have a resolution, I would also like you to share that down below. And also, a video idea that I've been having bopping around in my brain since last year is exploring the ingredients in the products that I'm using. So the next video might be just me doing a random video, like looking up the ingredients and just talking about it. Don't know if that would be anything interesting, but I'm gonna use the websites that I've been using to look up ingredients for the products that I've been purchasing recently, because I don't really buy myself that much makeup lately anyways, because I'm trying to consume less products and use what I have. So yeah, here's this video. It's a failed attempt at this makeup tutorial and just me chatting about nothing. Well, not nothing, but you know, not what I planned. I've been sitting with this makeup look in my head, well, the eye look anyways, the lip. I kind of wanted to go for nude. That didn't happen. But yeah, share your thoughts down below. Like and subscribe. Happy New Year! Love for you to stick around. Yeah. And until next time, bye.